Good Tuesday morning, everybody. Meteorologist Johnny Lively for our Tuesday morning update. You look at our live radar, not much going on. This is sponsored by Tamco Hellguard Ford. This is the one and only asphalt shingle system that is backed by Hell Warranty. So we're super excited to have Tamco a part of the Gulf Coast Weather Solutions family. You can see not much going on this morning here on the Doppler radar. Only thing that we have right now is just some warm temperatures across the south. You can see far to the north is into the 30s and 40s, southern plains into the 50s, but you start going further south like San Antonio all the way to Pensacola, Florida, and Tampa. It is awfully warm. We zoom into the area, we can see several areas already into the mid to upper 60s. It's mild and warm. This is one of the big reasons we're seeing dense fog around parts of the region once again. You can find some 50s off towards the northeast, but pretty much off to a mild start with the southern winds coming in, bringing that Gulf moisture here across the region. Thanks for a sponsor of Neutron Electrical Services. Here we are looking at the satellite and radar. We actually have a boundary that's over our region. That can give us 5 to 10% coverage for an isolated shower or two, a little bit more cloud cover. But other than that, it's not going to change much in the temperature department. But we're seeing some clouds moving in from the Dallas-Fort Worth area, sneaking into our region really throughout the day today, but we'll still have sunshine warming us up into the 80s. Again, thanks to our sponsor of Tamco Hellguard Beyond Class 4. Here we are with our construction outdoor forecast. We've got the foggy conditions right now. Temperatures are mild into the 60s. We'll warm up fairly quickly into the 70s by 11 to 12 o'clock. Again, 5 to 10% coverage for a passing shower or two. Shouldn't be enough to disrupt anything outdoor construction-wise. Just keep that in mind. Have the Gulf Coast Weather Solutions app. Keep you updated if a shower is moving into your region. But we will warm up into the low to mid 80s for a good portion of the region. Some areas can get close to the upper 80s. Here you are. You're seeing that we're pretty much in the same pattern. High pressure ridge off to the west dominating our region. But if we fast forward to the end of the week, because it's going to be the same thing pretty much throughout the week, warm, dry. We've got that high pressure dominating the region, but we finally see that high pressure just weaken enough to allow a cold front to move into our region mainly Friday afternoon. Finally won't push all the way down towards the coast till Friday evening into early Saturday morning. All this is going to help do is kick out the humidity, bring us slightly cooler temperatures this weekend. Mid to upper 70s to low 80s is what we'll be seeing this weekend. So again, not much on the temperature department, but it will help kick out some of the humidity. So here we are with the temperatures the next 5 to 7 days. Warm all week long. Good for spring breakers, right? And then a slight cool down this weekend. Not much. I mean, into the mid to upper 70s on Saturday and then back into the low 80s. Big thing is it's going to kick out the humidity. So to me, that's a big win. Thanks for a sponsor of Switch Electric showing us what's going on. Rainfall, if you're wanting it, it's going to be hard to come by. Just a passing shower is really kind of possible today. Possibly again on Friday as that front moves in. But if you're looking for the rain, it's over there towards the areas that really need it. The state of Florida needs more rain, but they have a little bit better shot the next 3 to 5 days. And then more going off towards the northeast. But so far, it is hard to come by some rain here into our region. You can see the dense fog going on as of right now. But as we get throughout the afternoon day, we'll probably see some clouds moving into the region, but still going to warm us up into the 80s. A passing shower definitely is possible. You can see along the I-10 corridor. Can get up towards Conroe and Livingston region as well, too. But other than that, it is a mostly dry day today. Anything outdoor-wise looks pretty good. And then overnight tonight, we're going to have dense fog possibly once again into Wednesday morning, so definitely be advised. Leave a little bit earlier if you're wanting to hurry up, dealing with the foggy conditions. You don't want to be in a rush. And then as we get into Wednesday afternoon, you can see a small shower there, but it's not even enough to put really into the forecast. That's really less than 5%. So we are mostly dry off and on this whole week. Afternoon highs today into the low to mid 80s for a good portion, down towards the coast into the 70s. You can find some upper 80s, possibly near the 90-degree mark for areas like Katy, Conroe, and Tomball area. And again, this is thanks for a sponsor of Silsby Ford. Get you one. Overnight tonight, it's going to be mild and possibly foggy once again. That fog will build in. You've got some warm temperatures, seeing a little bit more upper 50s far to the north, but the rest of the region into the low to mid 60s, upper 60s down towards the coast. And if you're wanting to finally see a little bit better chance for some rain, that's likely going to be into parts of next week. Early next week, we see 10 to 20% coverage, but as we start getting into the middle to end of next week, rain chances get a little bit better. It's not a slam dunk just yet. It's not going to help our drought conditions by any means. We're just seeing a little bit better rain coverage moving in as we get into parts of next week. So here we are the next 5 to 7 days. Warm conditions. Good for spring breakers, though. We've got a cold front moving in on Friday evening. That's just going to kick out the humidity more than anything. Mid to upper 70s on Saturday. Low 80s by Sunday into early next week. And then we possibly start seeing some rain chances sneaking into our region as we get into early next week. And then possibly and hopefully sticking around as we get into middle to the end of next week. Same thing for Southwest Louisiana. Pretty warm, but not bad for anybody that's on spring break this week. Winds aren't too bad as well. 15 to 20 mile per hour gusts. Worst is going to be on Thursday and Friday, and even then it's not too bad. 20 to 25 mile per hour gusts. Cool down this weekend, and then some rain possibly starts coming into a region as we get into early next week. Wonderful time to go download the free Gulf Coast Weather Solutions app. It keeps you updated no matter where you are, and we just want to say thank you guys all for the support that have downloaded it. If you haven't, please go download it. Thanks for tuning in to the Tuesday Morning Show. We'll have more updates throughout the day on Facebook, YouTube, and on this free Gulf Coast Weather Solutions app. Other than that, y'all have a wonderful Tuesday. I will see y'all again on Wednesday morning.
Gulf Coast Weather Solutions is sponsored by
At Gulf Coast Weather Solutions, we focus on delivering reliable weather forecasts. Our new app provides reliable weather updates and alerts no matter where you are. With real-time weather alerts and warnings, you can stay informed and prepared wherever you go. Download the Gulf Coast Weather Solutions app today on the App Store and Google Play and stay connected no matter where you are.